Okay, so this, you're just going to want to package. So if you go to File and Package, here you're going to see a summary of what you're packaging. So you're going to see what color space this file is using for all of your images. So all of my images in my source are RGB. How many links were found, so on. It's going to give you an outline of the fonts. So actually InDesign is going to package your fonts for you as well. Always a huge issue for people designing things is, fonts being broken and so on. And if you, link the wrong font, you could have a ripple effect across the whole entire design that moves things around, and it's just a really tough gig to deal with. So InDesign is going to make that easier for you by doing that, and then links and images, and then a lot of other print stuff that will be useful to printers if this is who you give this to. So then essentially you're just going to want to see here in the summary if you have anything that is missing. So I have nothing missing here, so I'm good. So I'll package. It's going to tell you to save it if you haven't, so just do a save as. All right. That's less important as to where you save it or if you save over it. So if you hit continue, this is the important piece. So when you get to this screen here, you're basically naming the folder that you're going to have all of your packaged files in. So, and then you're defining where you're going to save it, of course. And then these checkboxes down here are going to let you define if you want to include, let's see, PDF or an IDML file. It defaults the IDML file. If you remember, that IDML file is the file that you can use for previous versions of InDesign than what you're currently working with, just in case other people that you're sending it to don't have the same version that you do. You're going to want to keep update linked graphics update graphics in the package, and then you're going to want to copy the graphics and then copy the fonts. So those top three selections essentially are basically essential to it. And then just keep moving forward and hit OK. It kind of thinks for a bit, and then all of your files end up where you saved it. So I'll jump to my desktop. So here's a packaged file folder. Again, you have your InDesign file, your links, and then your fonts. So it automatically made me copies of everything here. So this is a nice file that you can send off to somebody, all packaged up and ready to go. And so when you do that for somebody, you're going to want to control-click that file folder on the Mac, and then hit compress. So you're going to make a zip file essentially, just like you all have for that previous project. And that zip file then can be sent through WeTransfer or probably not uploaded to the Moodle, because I think we have a 20 megabyte max on those uploads. But you can send the links on the Moodle too, so I'll be sure to look out for